ko? Yummy? Sabay kaming kumain mga kainaw. Kasi malilate si daddy ng uni. No? And we're eating this. Jelly. Pag nilagay mo sa fridge, parang jelly ice. Right? Siyempre, timang kang garod niya. Gusto mo anak pag nagsiswimming tayo? Kahit sa Pilipinas, mag-two-piece ako, sabi ko. What did you say, anak ko? Can I wear two-piece? Sexy clothes?
Not really.
Not really? You don't want? I want your honest answer, anak ko. Be honest. You want mommy to wear sexy dresses? Just say yes or no. No. Why?
Because I don't want.
You don't want only?
Yeah.
Just like Nene. Nene doesn't want me to wear sexy dresses also. So, you're just imitating your Nene or it's your decision?
It's my decision.
It's your opinion.
Yeah.
So, what if anak ko, if you see me wearing some kind, sexy dresses, short dress, walking in the street?
Wow, it's beautiful.
Yeah, you're gonna say mommy is beautiful?
Yeah.
Do you think mommy is beautiful, anak ko?
Yeah.
Do you think mommy is sexy too?
Yes.
Even I'm fat? Am I fat, anak?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Kita niyo mo.
Wow.
Ang agulbod ti ubing ka no ka. Because you love mommy? That's why you're saying, I'm not fat, but I am fat. Really?
Sexy mom.
Thank you, anak ko.